What if everything you thought you needed to build a professional music studio in 2026 could fit inside of a streamlined system that cuts your setup time in half, boosts your sound quality instantly, and eliminates the constant frustration of compatibility issues? That's exactly where Music Studio 7 comes in. And whether you're producing beats, recording vocals, or mixing podcasts, or composing full cinematic scores, this system is designed to collapse that gap between amateur workflow and professional output by integrating the most important elements of modern production into one cohesive environment. And that actually works the way creators think instead of forcing you to adapt to outdated software limitations. Because let's be honest, most setups they fail not because of lack of talent, but because of friction, the lag, the cluttered interfaces, and inefficient routine chains that kill the momentum right when creativity hits. And Music Studio 7 directly attacks these problems with a redesigned engine that prioritizes real-time responsiveness, meaning near zero latency, monitoring, faster rendering, and smoother plugin performance, even when you're stacking complex chains, which is critical in 2026 where expectations for sound quality and turnaround speed are higher than ever. And one of the standout features here is its adaptive workflow system that learns how you produce over time, automatically surfacing your most used tools, presets, and routing templates. So instead of digging through menus, you're instantly where you need to be, which sounds like a small thing until you realize how much is wasted in traditional DAWs, which just navigating. If you're serious about upgrading your setup, you'll want to check the link in the description to pick this up because this is one of the tools that quietly changes how fast and efficiently you can actually create without making a big deal about it. And let's talk about sound quality because that's ultimately what matters. Music Studio 7 uses a new optimized audio engine that supports higher dynamic range processing and cleaner summing algorithms, which translates into mixes that sound more open, more defined, and less muddy, even before mastering. And if you've ever struggled with getting your low end to sit right or your vocals to cut through harness, this system gives you better starting results so you're not constantly fixing problems later. And built into the core is a next-gen plugin suite that covers everything from EQ and compression to advanced modulation and spatial effects. But instead of overwhelming you with hundreds of mediocre options, it focuses on the fewer, higher quality tools that are deeply customizable and CPU efficient, which is huge because in 2026, efficiency is just as important as capabilities, especially if you're working on a laptop or a compact issue or a compact setup. And speaking of setups, Music Studio 7 is built to scale whether you're a bedroom producer or running a full studio environment, meaning it integrates seamlessly with external hardware, MIDI controllers, audio interfaces, and even cloud-based collaboration systems so you can move between projects and environments without breaking your workflow. And that brings up another major advantage, which is collaboration, because modern music creation is rarely a solo process anymore. And this platform allows real-time projects sharing versions, tracking, and remote sessions editing so you can work with artists, engineers, and producers anywhere in the world without the usual file transfer headaches. And if that's something you've been struggling with, again, the link is in the description to pick this up. It's worth checking because this feature alone can dramatically speed up your production pipeline. Now let's break down the interface because this is where a lot of software either clicks or completely fails. And Music Studio 7 takes a modular approach, meaning you can customize your workspace to match exactly how you think and work, whether that's a minimal recording layout, a detailed mixing console, or a hybrid view that keeps everything accessible at once. And the key difference here is that it doesn't just look modern, it actually reduces the cognitive load so you're not constantly switching mental gears between tasks, which is something a lot of producers underestimate, but it directly impacts creativity and output quality. And on top of that, you get intelligence automation tools that allow you to create complex parameter movements with simple gestures, meaning instead of manually drawing curves for hours, you can shape dynamics and effects in a more intuitive musical way. And that's the kind of feature that separates a good mix from a great one without adding extra time. And another area where Music Studio 7 stands out is its AI assistant feature, but not in a gimmick way. It's not trying to replace your creativity, it's designed to enhance it by offering suggestions for chords, professionalism, drums, patterns, mixing balance, and even mastering changes based on your track's characteristics. And you can accept, tweak, or ignore these suggestions entirely. So it becomes more like a smart assistant than an intrusive system, which is exactly how AI should be used in creative workflows. And if you're someone who gets stuck staring at a blank project or second guessing your mix decision, this can be a massive productivity boost. And again, if you want to integrate that into your process, check the link in the description to pick this up, because it's one of those features you don't fully appreciate until you start using it consistently. Now let's talk about recording, because clean, reliable recording is the foundation of any studio, and Music Studio 7 improves this while enhanced input monitoring, better gain, staging visualizations, and automation can take management so you can focus on performance instead of technical issues. And the comping system is faster and more intuitive, allowing you to piece together the best parts of multiple takes in seconds instead of minutes, which adds up quickly over the course of a full session. And for vocalists and instrumentalists, this alone can significantly reduce the session fatigue and keep energy levels high. And when it comes to mixing, the system introduces a more flexible routing to architectural that lets you create complex signal paths without turning your project into a mess, which is especially important for genres that rely heavily on layered effects and parallel processing. And the visual feedback throughout the mixer makes it easier to identify issues like phase problems, frequency clashes, and dynamic inconsistencies before they become bigger problems. And mastering is also built directly into the workflow, so you don't have to export your tracks into another environment just to finalize it, which saves time and keeps everything consistent. And another key factor in 2026 is mobility. And Music Studio 7 supports cross-device syncing, so you can start a project on one system and continue it on another without losing the progress or settings, which is ideal if you're working between a home studio, a mobile setup, and possibly even a professional studio environment. And the stability improvements here are worth mentioning, because crashes and glitches are one of the biggest workflow killers. And this system is built to handle heavy sessions without breaking down, which means fewer interruptions and more consistent output. And if you're ever lost work due to instability, you already know how valuable that is. And beyond the technical features, there's also a strong focus on learning and growth with built-in tutorials, guided, workflows, and community integrations that help you improve your skills while you're actually working, instead of forcing you to stop and search for answers elsewhere. And that's the kind of integration learning environment can accelerate your progress significantly, especially if you're trying to level up quickly. And when you combine all of these elements, performance, sound quality, workflow optimization, collaboration, and intelligent assistance, you start to see why Music Studio 7 isn't just another update. It's a shift towards a more efficient, creator-focused production experience that aligns with how music is actually made in 2026. And whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade a more advanced setup, this system is designed to remove the friction, enhance the creativity, and deliver professional results faster. So if you're serious about improving your production, workflow, and output quality, make sure to check the link in the description to pick this up, because tools like this don't just make things easier. They fundamentally change how you approach creating music, and once you adapt to that level of efficiency, it's very hard to go back to older, slower systems that constantly get in the way. And that's ultimately the biggest value here. Not just better features, but a better overall experience, and keeps you focused on what actually matters, which is making great music consistently and efficiently without unnecessary barriers or distractions. Thanks for watching today. If you liked today's video, check out this video on the right. It could also help you on your journey as well. And feel free to comment down below. I also respond to all positive comments. And drop a subscription. YouTube says I gotta have it to grow, so without it, I can't grow here on YouTube. So drop a subscription. I'd love to see you on the next video. You guys have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.